What is up guys? Welcome to Skye channel. So for this video, I will teach you how to create a glowing border effect. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell. Thank you. Insert the photo you're going to add a glowing border effect. Add border. Thickness depends on you. Then, choose your desired glowing border color. Now, click the shadow. Go to position and adjust the numbers to 0. After that, go to color and pick the same color you choose earlier for border. Now, go to adjust and set the numbers to 100. And now, you have your own photo with a glowing border effect. That's all for this video. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.